Hi there, good morning. This is Shudha Janand from etmarkets.com with our regular morning podcast of all the news, views, and cues that could sway your market through the day. Well, Indian markets will first react to GDP data for the quarter ended December 2016 and US President Donald Trump's first address to the Congress. India seems to have braved the effects of demonetization with the economy growing at an unexpectedly robust 7% in what was deemed to be the worst hit October-December quarter. It now forecasts to achieve 7.1% growth in the year to March. Paris-based think tank OECD has cut India's growth forecast for the financial year to 7% from 7.4% earlier because of demonetization, but said that the pace will accelerate to 7.3% in next financial year and may even go higher in FY19. Other economic data showed that growth in the core sector industries slipped to a 5-month low in January but remained comfortably within the positive zone. The US stocks ended on a flat note with a negative bias ahead of Trump's speech. Asian markets across Japan, Korea and Australia were trading with mixed buys. The Nifty 50 futures on the Singapore Stock Exchange were trading 14 points higher at 8,926, indicating a positive opening for the domestic market. The rupee advanced further by modest 2 paisa to end at 66.69 against the US currency in an extremely thin and lethargic trade on Tuesday. On the technical front, the Nifty 50 snapped its winning streak and formed a small bear candle on the daily charts on Tuesday, suggesting indecisiveness among market participants at higher levels, which is making them sell shares. On the options front, maximum put open interest was seen at strike price 8,800 followed by 8,500, while maximum call open interest was seen at strike price 9,000, which will keep upside limited. Fresh put writing was seen at strike price 8,800, which will hold the market on declines near 8,820 to 8,800, while intact call writing at strike price 9,000 will keep any upside limited. Lastly, let's take a quick look at some of the interesting headlines from the print edition of ET Markets. Ahead of the US Assembly elections, the volume of bikes perceived as a ruler-focused product grew by 19% in UP against a national drop of 5%. Tractor sales too rose 16%. Against an all-India increase of 13%. Well, this is a good sign for the economy. Though overall foreign portfolio investors remained net sellers during January, listed foreign funds were net buyers, according to data compiled by Kotak Institutional Equities. India saw rupees 3,752 crore of inflows from listed foreign funds in January, largely driven by ETFs. Global emerging market funds saw inflows of 2,250 crore, while India dedicated funds saw 1,390 crore of inflows. Well, we will leave you with that much for now, but do log on to www.etmarkets.com through the day for continuous updates on every development in the financial market. Have a good trading day ahead, folks.